convert 10111101101 base 2 to hexadecimal. So these are binary number that we're converting to this hexadecimal, and hexadecimal is base 16. So what we're going to do is just divide this number into groups of 4, starting from the right. So you have 1001 as the first group, then 1011 as the second group, then the rest is the third group. So the first group is composed of 1, 1, 0, 1. The second group is 1, 1, 1, 0. And then the last group is 1, 0, 1. But this is only 3 bits, so we top it up with an insignificant 0. So the next thing would be to convert each group to decimal. So we do that by multiplying each bit by a base 2. So for the first one, we take 1 times 2 raised to power 0 plus 0 times 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 3. So that is 1 times 8 plus 1 times 4 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 1. That is 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1, which is just equals 13. Then this one, we also do the same. So we're going to have 0 times 2 raised to power 0 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 1 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 2 plus 1 times 2 raised to power 3. That is 1 times 8 plus 1 times 4 plus 1 times 2 plus 0 times 1. That is 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 0, which is just equal to 14. Then you also convert this one. So that will be 1 times 2 raised to power 0 plus 0 times 2 raised to power 1 plus that will be plus 1 times 2 raised to power 2 plus 0 times 2 raised to power 3. So that will be 0 times 8 plus 1 times 4 plus 0 times 1, not 1 but 2, plus 1 times 1. So that will be 0 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1, and that is 5. So now all we need to do is put these three numbers together, 5, 14, and 13. But remember, we are converting to hexadecimal. There is no such number as 14 in hexadecimal. From 10 to 15 are represented using letters. So that is what we're going to do. We're going to look for the corresponding value of 14 in terms of letter, and the same with 13. So according to hexadecimals, 10 is represented by A, 11 by B, 12 by C, 13 by D, and 14 by E, and so forth. So now we just take the three numbers, that is 5, we combine with 14, and 14 is E in terms of hexadecimal, and when we combine with 13, which is D, that is 5ED base 16.